In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted drafts on Facebook. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover deleted draft videos on Facebook, what you need to do is to open the Facebook application. Click on your profiles icon at the top right corner of your screens and then click on the settings icon. Now scroll down and click on this option that says download your information. Tap on request a download. Make sure that your Facebook account is selected and click on next. Then click on the second option that says select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted drafts on Facebook, therefore select this post option and click on next and then tap on submit request. After you click on submit request, within the next 24 hours, a file containing your deleted draft videos on Facebook will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted draft videos on Facebook will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.